What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another shoe unboxing for you, okay? And this one, I know you all been waiting for it, but Nike actually dropped it randomly on a Wednesday. I was actually playing Fortnite and I died, and I checked Twitter and I was able to cop it. And I was expecting it next week, but instead I got it today. So let's just jump right into it. And I actually already opened the box. I'm sorry, and we'll just go straight into it. It is the off-white Jordan 1s in the UNC colorway. So let's just check it out. So Nike had actually put some off-white like tape to package it, and I cut it with my cutter. If you want to see it, I'll show it to you right here. But it's enough of that. But here, I actually failed to cop a size 8, so Sneakers app let me try again, and I was able to get a 7.5 men's. And I don't even know if that's gonna fit or anything, but we'll just deal with it. So here's the box of the off-white UNC's Jordan 1s in 7.5. And there's actually this detail on the box. It looks like it's like been ripped up, and it's like a flap. I'll just take it out. And there's a plastic cover there. Here it is, the off-white Jordan 1s in the UNC colorway. And here's the off-white branded little paper there instead of, actually it's plastic instead of paper. And then here's the left shoe. It has the zip tie. And I think the extra laces, there's white in there and there's blue right here. Let's put this right here. And then this is the right shoe. You got your 85 in there with the stamp logo, and your details here with the orange, neon orange hits. And let's see the extra laces back here. This matches the bright safety orange actually. Alright, so on the other side of the shoe we have the off-white text that you see in every Virgil Abloh collaboration with Nike. Here you got off-white, trademark for Nike, and it's got the model of the shoe, Air Jordan 1 in quotations, and Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1995 for this Jordan. So on the inside of every off-white Virgil Abloh collaboration, there's the insole with the pyramid texture at the foot, and you get that with every insole of it, just like in this one, you know. In China, you know, like good quality right there. All right. So yeah, the shoelaces that come here come with the little stamping that says shoelaces in quotations. And you know, that's what you pay $1,000 for a sneaker for. As for sizing, for Jordan 1s, the high tops, everyone says true to size, but that for me actually it runs pretty big. So what I will say is try on the shoe, even if it's not an off-white pair, because I'm pretty sure it'd be pretty similar to an off-white or a normal Jordan 1 high top, and go with that, okay? I got a 7.5, I'm usually an 8. I'm sure this would be fine. I'd say out of the 3 from the Chicagos, the triple whites, and the UNC, I really like the UNC ones because of the popping blue, the university blue they got going on, along with these orange hits right here with these laces. It's gonna be really cool. So, all right, just to wrap it up, here's the whole shoe, the off-white Jordan 1s UNC with this white and university blue colorway. And I didn't want to lace it up, and I don't have any on feet for you guys today because I'm too lazy. I'm sorry. Okay, But if you like what you see in this video and how fast I got it and up and running and show you the shoes, like and subscribe, follow our social, whatever, you know. And yeah.